Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, March 25th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, it was a brutal day yesterday, and we kind of got part two of the brutality, at least for the open. You can see here with the Dow, you know, the Dow's been reversing itself from day to day. Well, it kind of did that today, but the reversal did, when it could have helped us today, the reversal did not take place on the open. The Dow opened down really hard today, continued that downside motion for about 90 minutes before reversing. And of course, what happened, we had four horrible positions from yesterday, and they got more horrible as a result of this. We closed those four positions out with negative $31,000 in closeout losses. Yeah, $31,000 in closeout losses. So we went from being negative 25,000 on the close yesterday to closing out negative 31,000. Yeah, that's real tough. The Dow reversed here and ended up closing up 199 points, which would normally might cheer us a little. Unfortunately, the worst happened. We ended up getting into UVXY, which of course is a short position on the overall market, and we're getting in right down here when the Dow is at the bottom, so we get whipsawed crazy with that on top of everything. We got into 11 positions, that's including 3 positions in UVXY, and aside from the UVXY positions, those other positions were really good, and we managed, but that UVXY was so bad that it basically canceled out those good positions. All I can say about today is we got some green today. It wasn't all red. Yeah, we had a few green trades, and I will show you those here next. But again, I got to show you this UVX thing was okay. This is the UVX chart, and you can see here 2 days ago, same thing. We got tagged right here at the top, stopped out yesterday on the open, but this morning was even worse. We got tagged here again near the top, and then this massive sell-off here. We're down $19,700 in UVXY. That is the worst UVXY trade we've had in a long time. And on top of it all, because of the lower price of UVXY, the algorithm puts us in with 27,000 shares with those 3 positions, whereas before we were only trading 18,000. So we upped our position size and then got in to the worst trade possible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. This next one is GameStop. Hey, never know. GameStop went from 120 to nearly 190 today. We got in about 160. It closed up there, and we were up $8,200 in GameStop. And then finally we got into Koss Corporation. This was our biggest trade of the day. We got into that about 90 minutes in. Big run up right after we got in. Looked like it was going to pull back, but it came back, closing pretty close to that high, and we're up $16,700 in Koss Corporation. So on balance, we have positive $7,000 in open trade going into tomorrow, in spite of that horrible UVXY trade. tomorrow's Freaky Friday. God knows what it'll bring. I just hope things get better pretty soon. Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Freaky Friday.